It is a foggy Tuesday morning. Let's see. I'm going to talk to you about what's going on in class today. For B-Day kids, don't forget to do your attendance by 8:15 and do your reading check. Remember, those have to be done on the day that they're assigned. For A-Day and B-Day kids, you have your grammar for Tuesday that you're going to need to do. Then everybody for Caldwell Connect for A and B Day, you all are going to be reading the Tin Man selection from Common Lit. Now, there are some instructions on that assignment that tells you to write some things on page 2 of your interactive notebook. So you're going to want to pay close attention to that and make sure you get it there. I haven't put the sample out there, but it's 7 a.m. I bet by 8 o'clock I'm going to have what kinds of things you might want to, or at least the topic on that page on your interactive notebooks. And that goes for all 3 groups, A-Day, B-Day, and Caldwell Connect. That's what it's called. All of you are doing that same thing. And then you have a writing assignment. And your writing assignment is really all about whether or not a tornado could move a house from here to there. This is something I want you to be very creative about. Let me pull up that assignment really quickly so I can actually read those exact words that you have to do. This word. It's loading, but my computer, she is slow this morning. Yesterday, we introduced the movie of The Wizard of Oz, it says, and we watched the tornado scene. After that, you read a short selection on tornadoes, and if you were in class, we talked a little bit about what it was like when that tornado came through our area a few years ago. Your question to ponder and to write a minimum of 2 well-written paragraphs, I'm looking for a pretty good chunk of writing, is this. Could a tornado actually pick up a house and place it in another town? I mean, like, we know it couldn't go to Oz because that's not real. But I want you to do some research about real tornadoes that moved real houses or other large items. How far did they move them and that kind of stuff? I want you to consider the furthest distance that a large item has been moved by a tornado. What can you learn about that? In your paragraph, you should write about real events as well as things your brain could imagine that, gosh, if it could move this thing that was this much, gosh, I think it could also move blah, blah, blah. You understand what I'm saying? Make your paragraph fun and original thoughts, and it's your own work. Be sure to use proper grammar, capitalization, spelling, and punctuation in your writing selection, and you're going to do this in a Google Doc and turn it in the Google Classroom. And that's what we're doing today. Now, I also have that reading. Guys, you've got to be reading. And now, my Caldwell Connect kids, we're getting ready to figure out how you're going to be reading. Oh, and some of you are having trouble to read online because the library links are actually asking for a passcode. But if you go use your Clever to log in, you should have no problem logging in to read online. So if you have any questions, please email, ask, let me know what I can do to help you. It's going to be a great day when this fog burns off, and hopefully it'll be a pretty one. Have fun. Do something fun today because I am going to. Bye.